In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert images in Table on Notion. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a column that handles images and how to add visuals quickly, whether they're on your computer or hosted online. Start by opening the table where you want images to live. You'll either add a new column or repurpose one you already have. To add one, hover near the right edge of your table and select the plus button to create a new column. If you'd rather use an existing column, click its header to open the property settings. In the Property Type menu, choose Files and Media. That's the key setting that tells Notion this column should store images or other file attachments. It can help to rename the column to something like Images, so it's clear to you and your teammates at a glance. With the column set, you're ready to add images. Click any cell in that column, and you'll see options to upload or embed. Upload pulls an image directly from your device and stores it in Notion, which is reliable if you want the file to remain available even if the original source changes. Embed lets you paste a link to an image that lives on the web or in a cloud drive. That's great for keeping file sizes light, but remember that if the external link breaks or access changes, the image may no longer display in Notion. You can drag and drop files straight into a cell, paste an image from your clipboard, or browse to upload. Common formats like PNG, JPG, and GIF work well. Each Files and Media cell can hold more than one image, so you can upload several for the same row if that's useful. Once images are in, click a thumbnail to open a larger preview. From there, you can zoom in, navigate through multiple images in the same cell, or download a copy when needed. If your thumbnails feel cramped, widen the column by dragging the header boundary so you can see more of each image at a glance. Keeping file names descriptive can make searching and sorting easier later. For performance, consider resizing very large images before uploading. You'll get faster load times while keeping clarity. And if you're working on mobile, the process is the same. Set the column to Files and Media, then tap a cell to upload from your camera roll or paste a link. That's all there is to it. Create or convert a column to Files and Media, click a cell, and upload or embed your image. Simple, flexible, and ready to use in your Notion tables.